So CLAT Possible has come a long way. We have seen the pandemic now in the year 2020, and in the year 2021 we celebrate the completion of our 10 years in this education field. We continue to believe that CLAT Possible will be a leader, not just in the next 10 years, I think, in fact, now in the next 4 to 5 years. We plan to help students end to end, not just for CLAT, but later on for their internships, as well as to help find them placements.
What a wonderful journey it's been. CLAT Possible has been able to make a great impression in the law test prep space. We are a formidable law test prep company, sending about 350 students into the national law schools. A team of hand-picked mentors who are nothing but the best inside the classroom. The future for us is going to be an amalgamation of great classes and great learning management system. For us, technology is going to be an enabler which is going to provide the most awesome experience to the students so that they can realize their potential.
In a crowd of 400, 500 people, almost everybody would know about top national universities and about career options in the field of law. Which brings us to the question, why has law become such a popular option in the past 1 decade? Well, the answer lies in the absolutely fantastic performance of these new age law schools, be it the national universities or some of these other law schools that we have, in any parameter, be it placements, be it ambience, be it faculties, be it infrastructure, be it extracurricular activities, be it exposure. These law schools have performed so well.
We've been constantly updating and upgrading our systems to make our classroom deliveries very seamless and effective. And this year we are coming up with a state-of-art learning management system for which we have tied up with a US company.
We have gotten, by the grace of God, to utilize and spend in technology that we were not able to give earlier when we were at the peak of our servicing. So all of us, including our students, will notice this technology in the form of our new learning management system, a seamless, smart, adaptive system that helps students understand their weaknesses just by the answers that they choose. So we put out content in there together. The students will see this beautiful management system wherein, while they are answering, the system is going to tell them what they have to work on, which answers are next, and it will take them to the next best thing that they should do based on their previous test. This adaptive form of learning will be the first of its kind in the CLAT market.
For me, being a CPN means creating new systems and process which will help in overall learning experience of the students.
Continuous innovation of technology, where a student get to experience a new way of learning and educators get to practice more effective way of teaching.
For me, being a CPN means freedom to strategize, freedom to execute, and to take new initiatives which impacts the overall brand image for CLAT Possible.
For me, being a CPN means exploring my passion in the field of teaching and education and igniting interest in the students towards the legal profession.
Being a CPN to me means to be lively, to be friendly, and to be a true guide to all the young students so that I can show them the roadmap to their dream career.
For me, being a CP means constant learning that goes on and on, which is really helpful when it comes to advising others like the kids whom we meet every day in making right career choices, which is very rewarding itself. You end up getting a lot of respect because of that.
CPN means going much beyond your professional existence. At CP, not only do we let you dream of reaching the top, but we actually take you there.
For me, being a part of CP means the strategic approach and engagements, which actually attracts more potential members.
To me, being a part of CP means discovering yourself each day and bringing out the best in you. Proud to be a CPN.
I would like to thank all my colleagues at CLAT Possible, all those who are in pivotal roles of teaching, staff management, administration, finance. I would also like to thank all my students, all the people who are going to work with me in the future, and most of all, our outreach partners, all the school principals, all the lovely counselors that we meet at various schools across the country, all those who help us get to those students, reach those students, and help us get the best out of those students. So a big thank you to all of you for making this 10-year journey so memorable.